I chose Lambton because of the community itself. I came to a couple basketball games, and the community here really just supports everybody and everything in it. And even if they don't know you, like I'm from Windsor and I already feel like I've been a part of Sarnia for a decade. What I like most about Lambton is, again, the community, the students, the faculty, the community on the outside. It's all so close-knit and it feels like a family. I feel like I'm super known here. I know so many students and I've networked in the community with so many people.
I really like how small Lambton College is. I see a lot of familiar faces and class sizes are at a minimum, so I really get to interact with my profs in a real authentic way. And because of that, they've afforded me so many opportunities.
So an average day for me would be, I'd have about 2 classes a day, around 3 to 6 hours. And then after our classes in the morning, I usually have my placement first, which is the community crime unit. So I would go to that in the morning, and then after I would probably grab lunch, and then I would head to the college. I'd have my classes, and then I would head to basketball practice, and that would be my day in the life. Life outside the classroom is super busy for me. So on top of going to school full time, I also play varsity basketball, and I am doing a placement at the Sarnia Police.
So an average day as a student probably begins pretty early for the Border Services program. Fitness is a big aspect of what we do, so I usually start my day in the gym about an hour or so before class. Class usually begins with a bit of a review of what we did last week, question and answer about any topic. Then we jump into our lectures. From lectures we go into discussions and research, discuss as a group, bring new information in, and then in the final hour we generally take all that information and put it to use practically and do scenarios and talk amongst groups and what we did and how we can do better.
I would say that the Lambton experience is honestly a special one. Again, a college this small is super unique because you get to meet so many people, you're networking, you're known. I feel like you're part of a family.